Hello, so this is a quick tutorial that was requested. This is how to copy shapes and clips with Hana Tool and Unity for VROID. I have my existing model already in prefab. She has all of the blend shapes that I want, and I have my new prefab that I just loaded in. I'm going to drag her up. I'm going to go to Hana Tool, Reader, because we have to read and then clip build all of the blend shapes on the new model first before we can copy the blend shapes. So let's drop down the Renaissance scene prefab, grab that face, drag it over. We want perfect sync female. Let's read that blend shape that says completed or conversed, I think. VROID iris, we want to read that as well. I just made a tutorial on that, so if you check out my YouTube, you'll find out how to add iris blend shapes. Really neat. Next up, we're going to go back to Hana Tool. So we just completed Reader. We're going to go to Clip Builder. It spawned over here. We're going to grab that. Instead of the face, we're going to grab the whole model, stick that right in there. We want it to be ARKit, and we want it to be VROID or VROID, and we want to clip build. Okay, so that's done. And now let's go to the blend shapes, which is the third one down in the assets folder. You can see that all the blend shapes are already there. And I can confirm via the master list, which is the third little prefab asset blend shape. You can see all of them over here on the right. Now to copy, we're gonna go back to Hana Tool, copy shapes and clips. Oh, it spawned on the other screen. So this part, because it's in Japanese, it's a little complicated, but the way I remember it is Sword in the Stones song, to and fro, stop and go, to and fro. So we're gonna copy to, we're gonna grab the whole model, stick it in that first one, and we're copying from, which is the human, and we're sticking that in the second one, and then we're gonna copy shapes and clips. Okay, now it's done. And then we're gonna hit OK. Let's go back on over to our assets folder where we have our new model, which for me is Renaissance. We're gonna go to the blend shapes, click back over here, and then when you click, it should, and it does, it has all of my blend shapes from my existing model. But be sure to look in the bottom right-hand corner because it's not here in the center. Look at that. We did it! That was quick and hopefully painless. I'll see you in the next one.